Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 110 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this beautiful 1/8 scale model, build along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this along with me. Right, let's have a look through the magazine quickly. This is the TV show there. There's the Joker there. Great Batman comics, Dark City. Batman Year by Year is from 23. Continuation there of what's going on in the comic even. Nice bit of artwork there again. We then got our car parts there. We're going to be fitting both turn signals to the front of the model as well as their LEDs. Going to build them up like so. Using the left and right because they are marked, so keep an eye out for that. Fitting them in with the relevant screws. And then we're going to be unplugging some LEDs there. Do them bit by bit, folks, so that you don't get them muddled up. Fitting them in place, like so, routing all the cables around, and then we're going to be securing them with the little brackets there, just to retain them cables out the way, okay? And that's what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue. So that's the magazine done, so we'll put that to one side, we'll bring in all the parts that we need, and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. All right, let's get our car parts laid out. Right, left, screws, brackets, done. Right. So we want to grab the left one, get the lensy box like so, rest that over like that, and then we'll be screwing through both of these into the front grille. Here's what we're going to be doing. Let's grab that. Bring that into place, like that, and we are going with the notch, like so, on there, is what we want, like that. Okay, let's line you up and try and get one of these screws in. Like that. Once you get the first one in, you can then drop a bit of oil on the second one. I'll get rid of them out of the way. Don't need them until we're putting the bulbs in. Now we can fully tighten these. That's going nowhere. And then we want to do the same then with this one. Just like that. Grab another AM screw, pair of those. Bit of oil on the end. Pink. And then we can line you up as well. Just in there. Like that. And then try and get the first screw lined up. And grab the second one. Nice bit of oil on you. Now we can fully tighten these as well. And that's them in. We then want, it says there, 57C, H and 57B, G, okay? We want those. So there's G and there is H. Okay, that's our turn signals. And the other end of the cable with the plug on underneath the dash, I've been round and I've put a little bit of Tamiya tape with a G and a H on them so that I remember which ones are which. We got G. Now G wants to go this side in there. Okay. So that's crucial for us. And we also want to bend these tabs 90 degrees. Okay. So we'll do that before the bulb goes in. Being that there's already a slight bend there, I'm going to go that way. Okay. Then grab me contactor clear and give that a spidge around the edge of the bulb. Get any excess off. And then we can press that into that holder. Like that. In there straight away. And then that will then come round and that will run down here all the way around like so with the next cable and come around that side like so. Okay, that's where they're going to exit the vehicle because that's the side that the cluster of cables are on behind the dashboard. Okay, we then want to do the same process with the last cable, which is going to be cable H. Okay, and again we're going to bend it like so 90 degrees so that it comes along there. So we'll do that now. Let's unravel the cable and see which way it's lying, and that will determine then where I put the fold in the pins. So they've got a slight bend there, so we'll go that way. Like that. Give that a little bit of contact to clear. And then we can press that in as well. Like that. That is perfect. And then that's going to come along just like so. Cool. So I'm happy with that. We can now go around and start putting our little retaining brackets in. Okay. So grab AM screws. One of them. Have we got the big bit in? Let's have a look. Yep, we have. A little bit of oil. And we'll go around and we'll put a single screw in each of these brackets. And then we can pivot them over the wires then as we choose to. Just makes it a bit easier. I'm going to start with this one over here, I think. And then I can just hinge them around like a little door. Just makes it easier for me. Again, I've got some tape as well left over from when we did the wires in the rear, if I need them. So let's grab one of these. Send a screw in there. And we can now feed them in. Like that. Flip you around. Tighten you down. Like that. Same again on this one. Then we can do our neaty once we're in. Now we can grab the next screw. And pop you in. Fully home that. And do the same on this one. Like that is what we want. We'll put a bit of that under the wheel in a moment. Now let's grab the next screw. Do the same on this side now. We can start feeding our wires back into there, like so. Close the door off. Grab the next screw. Like that. A little bit of oil. Release the screw, and then I can do it up then. Cool. That's that one. And then going to go in that door over there with that lead as well. Close that door off. Tighten the screw down. And then grab our last one in the claw. Little bit of oil. And then pop that in. Couple of turns. Can release my claw. And now I can screw that in. And I've lifted this up purely so that I don't put any undue pressure on that windscreen. So that's that done. We've got all of those in. I can now spin that round and look at what we've done and see whether or not I want to put any tape in as well. Be on the safe side. I reckon we could. So let's have a bit of tape. Right, so that's that all done. But don't forget, folks, if you want to grab one of these and build along with me, this beautiful 1/8 scale Batmobile, hop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building one of these yourselves. Also, to help me out, can you subscribe to the old channel there by clicking Little Festa? Helps keep the channel alive, keeps it growing. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video for me. Puts it out into other people's feeds, lets them come and see me. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Until the next time. Bye-bye.